What if your Roblox game could actually talk, answer questions, or react intelligently with players? In this video, I will show you how to connect ChatGPT with Roblox Studio and bring AI-powered features into your game. So let's dive into it. First things first, we are going to open our Roblox Studio in our PC. So it is going to load our studio for a few moments, and then yes, we are on our interface of Roblox Studio. Here we are going to select any of the template as we like. Let me just go with the first one, and then it would open my base plate. Okay? So yes, we are in our interface of our selected template. Now if you look at this top right corner, you will see an icon which is named as AI Assistant. Now click on it and a window will pop up. Here you can see a 3-dot option. Click on it and you will see that there is an option named as Manage MCP Server. Let's click on it, and we need to make sure that the Enable Studio as MCP Server is toggled on, and then we will see there is a drop down option named as Setup Instruction. If we click on it, we will see that there is a startup command for CLI tools. There is a copy button in here. We are going to click here to copy this command. Okay, so we are now going to minimize this, our Roblox Studio, and then we are going to our ChatGPT account. You have to make sure that you are logged into your ChatGPT account, and then in the left panel you will see Codeex here. Click on Codeex and it will automatically redirect you to the official download website of Codeex. There is a download button. If you just click on this button, the Codeex exe file will automatically start downloading into your PC, and if you just double click that exe file after completing its download, then Codeex will get installed in your computer. Okay, so I'm not downloading Codeex and installing it because I already have Codeex installed in my computer. So I'm going to search for Codeex and open it. Okay, so I have the Codeex interface here. Now you will see an option called File, and just go to Files and then Settings. Under that File section, here you will see an option named as MCP Servers under Integration. Click on it and then Add on Server. Here we are going to press this Add Argument button. If we click on this button here, in the first argument we are going to write /c, and in this argument field we are going to paste the command that we copied from our Roblox Studio. Okay, if you want, you can name anything this MCP server. I'm just going to name it Roblox. Okay, so now here in the command to launch, we are going to write a command that is cmd.exe. Simple. Then we are going to hit save. It's going to take some time. Yes, I guess it's done. Then we are just going to hit restart. Okay, now if we go back to general, yes, so here we are going to give this a prompt that connect to Roblox Studio, and hit enter. So it would take some time, and eventually it would add the MCP server to your Roblox Studio. Okay, so by the time it's doing all its processing, we are going to fast forward this video and jump right to the original section. Yes, so after working for 23 seconds, it says that connected to Roblox Studio, the active studio instance is now +1. Okay, so if we go back to our Roblox Studio, we can see here that if again we go to our manage MCP servers, we can see that 2 clients are connected. So our MCP server, that is ChatGPT Codeex, is successfully integrated with our Roblox Studio. So yes, my part is done, but your fun part starts now. building something unique with it. It's your turn to experiment and see what you can build with AI inside Roblox. Good luck with your project, and I will catch you in the next video.